Hello everyone, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the color changing eye makeup with the green screen effect video. Let's go. So there are two skills that you need, editing skills and a makeup skills, and you need this. Look for a green eyeliner or a green face paint, because this green color is going to act as a green screen to the chroma key. It's so green! Oh shit, I blinked! Oh no, because I blinked and it's not dry yet, so it's like fucking smudge. Okay, make sure you leave it dry before you blink your eyes. Hands are so shaky. Why does it look like a fucking penis? It does not have to look perfect because we are going to make it a green screen. Bruh. Oh my god, I just realized that I'm not good in makeup either. Oh my god, pick a struggle, Ivor. Okay, the other side. I mean, if the green eye makeup didn't end well, you can just be Shrek for Halloween, you know what I mean? I like this one better. What the fuck is this? Wait, I gotta make sure that it's thick enough for the green screen to fit, because this is too thin. Sheesh.
And ta-da, once you're done, just move on to editing.
Wait, before you start filming, make sure you don't wear any green shirt or green accessories other than this green makeup. Oh my god, I just realized my wall has a little bit of green in it, so make sure you stay out of anything green. Slightly green, it's going to affect your effect. So, I'm just going to change it to a grey wall. Open an app called Capcut, which is available on Apple Store and Play Store.
Before that, go to your TikTok app and search for a trippy video or whatever video that you want it to be under your green screen effect, and then save it. Now open up a Capcut and upload the video that I just downloaded, and tap on overlay and add overlay and select a video of you wearing the green makeup and just zoom in to fit the frame. Okay, now that you have this video as a layer to the base, tap on chroma key, and what you're gonna do is to pick the most saturated green color you can find on your makeup, and then just adjust the intensity of the green screen effect. You can always pick a darker green color to make sure that it only covers your green eye makeup instead of other areas. We are not done yet. Since this is going to be a TikTok transition video, I'm going to add on the before video, which is me without the green makeup. Well, I've already done tons of TikTok transition tutorials. If you want to check it out, just click here.
Alright, so that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below. Like and subscribe if you want to. And this video shout out to
nobody, because y'all don't drop a comments anymore. I hate it here.
Until then, take care and see you next time.